I'm here to assist with your meal today, whether it's lunch or dinner. Garlic buttered shrimp is one of my favorite dishes to prepare. Begin by gently patting dry the shrimp. Season generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black peppercorns on both sides.
Let's do it.
Fry the shrimp for approximately 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Set them aside briefly. To ensure even cooking, I'm preparing this dish in 2 batches. In the same pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and a good amount of butter. Stir to incorporate all the flavorful seasonings left in the pan. Toss in minced garlic, diced onions, and tomatoes. Return the shrimp to the pan, along with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Adjust the seasoning with more kosher salt, Brazilian-style Sazon, and a touch of Brazilian-style Creole for a kick. Finish by sprinkling Parmesan cheese and fresh cilantro over the dish. Serve this delightful creation over a bed of freshly cooked white rice, garnished with diced tomatoes and cilantro for a burst of freshness. It's simply delicious. And as always, I'm thankful to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for providing the ingredients for this wonderful meal. Liked our dinner suggestion? Show your support by downloading the featured song on bandcamp.com.
Download the song You're a Winner LoFi by Merge to One today at bandcamp.com.